Respect.
That's right. I want to put this poster here so I will always be reminded of this beautiful word. Respect.
I respect you and you respect me. That makes us a happy family. R is for remembering both young and old. E is for everyone. Help them shine like gold.
S is for smile to bring happiness. P is for please. We say to show politeness. E is for everything done with kindness. C is for courtesy we show to people. T is for thank you for being good to all. Respect. We give to one another. Forever we stay together.
Oh no!
What's the matter, Ogot?
I think I did not respect you earlier. I'm so sorry.
What do you mean?
Remember, I was telling you that it's better to hang your poster there. You want to hang it here, but I'm telling you not to. I'm sorry, Joji.
Oh, that's not being disrespectful. That's giving your opinion and suggesting. There's nothing wrong with that.
Really? But I did not agree with you when you said that this is the better spot.
That's totally fine. We all have different opinions, and it's perfectly okay to tell people what you feel and think. In fact, I think what you showed was respect.
Really?
Even though I decided to put the poster here instead of over there where you want it, you let me be. You respected my decision.
Oh, I guess I did.
Of course you did. It's not that hard to show respect.
Right. We just have to treat others the way we want to be treated.
Yes. Now, do you notice anything about the poem?
What else? Well, it talks about respect.
That's right. It talks about respect, but what else?
I guess that's it.
Really? But what about this? And this? And this? This, and this?
It spells out the word respect.
You got it. This is what you call an acrostic poem.
Acrostic poem?
A series of lines where the first letter of each line spells out a word or a message.
Wow, that's so cool. It's like having a secret word in a poem.